So I finally finished my workout. I'm up to date now. I'm not behind. I'm not gonna take no more break to keep consistent. So guys, I'm gonna show you how I made the peanut porridge. Not the peanut porridge, shit. I'm sorry. The peanut soup. The peanut with a red pea soup, but for some reason some of the clip got deleted. So I'm just gonna tell you what I did up to that part that got deleted. So basically is you're gonna get your red peas. That's red peas. You're gonna soak it. I did do 2 cup red peas, 1 cup of peanuts, and this is how the peanut look. That's raw peanut, and this is from Jamaica, so I don't have a label of how it look in the store because it's from Jamaica and they just sell it in bags like that, but it's raw peanuts. And I think the clips that's coming up gonna tell you everything that I did, but I pressure it in my instant pot for about 20 minutes, and I put some seasoning there, garlic, so while it pressuring it could have flavor. You could choose any season that you like. I did put Maggi season, some onion powder, garlic powder. That's it. So hope you guys will enjoy the video, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and welcome to all my new subscriber guys. So these are the stuff that I'm gonna be putting in the soup. I got a piece of pumpkin, regular potato, Irish, which Jamaican call it, corn, carrot, sweet potato, and we got, damn it, what is it, cocoa. Yeah, I think that's what my mother said now. I'm gonna clean them up because the soup is almost finished. We got 8 minutes on there. Not the soup, but the peas and the peanut almost finished brushing. So now it's time for me to make my dumpling, and I have whole wheat flour and some cornmeal in there and no salt guys, but you could come. So it's the peas is cooked and the peanut is also cooked too. And the reason why I don't have a label for these peanut because I got it from Jamaica, but it's the raw peanut. So I'm gonna transfer the peas over. So I went ahead and I put some more water in the pot and I put the corn in. I'm gonna let that cook for at least say 15 minutes. So guys, while the corn is cooking up a storm, I'm taking a break. Having a carrot. Vitamin, what's this? Shit. Vitamin A. Good for your eyes. So guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, guys, and turn on your notification bell. And share with your family and friends and give this video a thumbs up. Okay? After this carrot is so good. It is so damn good. So I'm gonna be making some dumpling, put in the pot. It been say 4 minutes since the corn in there because I put on timer. So we're just gonna make some spinners going in the pot. Spinners and regular dumpling. And it don't have to be perfect. Cause at the end of the day, where it's going? In your belly. So, oh, there we go. I went and cut up my carrots, have some scallion, pepper, and thyme for later. And I use my nice little slicer dash to get them the size even. And I'm gonna go ahead and put those carrot in the pot because I like when my carrot is soft. I went ahead and I put every one in the pot. The pumpkin, the Irish, the two kind of potatoes, sweet potato, regular potato, and what else in there? The cocoa. And this look like, I swear I gotta put it in a different pot because it don't have no room to stir. So it been, I'll say about 10 more minutes, and I'm gonna be seasoning up the pot. Ooh, look at that fat. I'm putting some coconut milk in there, Grace. I'm gonna put in scallion, thyme, pepper. I think I should beat these up. Whatever. Just stir everybody in the pot. Like that. We're gonna put some cock soup. I'm gonna put some pimento seed, our allspice. And let's stir the pot around. But that look good. Let's start boiling a little bit. Okay. Let's put some black pepper in the pot. The soup is looking so good. I'm gonna put some more of that Maggi season because this pot is so fresh. I need to put salt. I think I'm gonna put a little salt in there. I try not to use salt, but okay. Let's use a little bit. We're gonna put a little bit in there. Take me, I'm gonna go pick up Jamari. So the peanut red pea soup is finished. Everything is cooked and it's delicious. And here it is in a bowl. So these one are the peanuts. That's the peanuts in there. So I'm gonna let my mom taste it and let you guys see how it is. And you guys should try this. It's so good. Even if you don't eat, even if you eat meat, you can do it with meat or no meat.
This soup's nice.
It's nice, so you're not tasting it? Yeah, lie?
No.
Alright, so tell me, how is the soup?
Oh,
how is
nice. It tastes good. Oh man. I'm like, I don't want to stop.
And this is fun facts. Guys, I did cook peanut soup give my mom before and she said she didn't know. I cook it with a cow foot and she didn't know it was peanut soup. So guys, yeah, my hair, I put some treatment in my hair. So guys, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and please try this peas soup. Peas with peanuts is a great combination and it tastes so good. It's delicious, guys. So you should try the soup. Let me show you the soup again because it's so red and pretty. Here we go. Beautiful.